So, are you ready? This is one of several boxes that I have that are filled with a lot of handmade embellishments that I've made for my cards, scrapbook pages, etc. Now, I know that there are a lot of you out there that are into the same kind of craft that I am into, but I'm not going to have the time. I'm not going to live long enough to use all these things. So, if you're interested, become a Patreon and at Patreon, and for, I believe it's $3 a month, I'll send you a packet of all these handmade embellishments that you can use on your own cards. I will leave the link somewhere around here, all right? And if worse comes to worse, you could always text me, okay? And I'll give you the link.